students, in this session I am going to discuss problems on Newton's law of cooling. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తప్పక తెలియచేయండి. ఓకే, టుడేస్ సెషన్ problems on Newton's law of cooling. Go to the first question. In this question, the temperature of a liquid in a beaker falls from 95 degrees centigrade to 90 degrees centigrade in 6 minutes. If the room temperature is 70 degrees centigrade, the temperature of the liquid after 15 minutes is. So in this question, the given temperature of a liquid in a beaker falls from 95 degrees centigrade to 90 degrees centigrade in 6 minutes. If the room temperature is 70 degrees centigrade, the temperature of the liquid after 15 minutes you have to calculate. Now let us come to the solution. First, in this question, given theta 1 is equals to 95 degrees centigrade and theta 2 is equals to 90 degrees centigrade and dt 6 minutes and surrounding temperature theta s is equals to 70 degree centigrade, and you have to calculate temperature of the liquid after 15 minutes. From Newton's law of cooling, first case 1. From Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt is equals to k of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 minus theta s, temperature of the surroundings. Here the given room temperature is 70 degree centigrade. So substituting values 95 minus 90 by minutes 6 minutes, that is equals to k of 95 plus 90 by 2 minus theta s, the given 70. So next 95 minus 90, 5 by 6 is equals to k of 95 plus 90, 185 by 2 minus 70. Taking LCM, 5 by 6 is equals to k of 185 minus 140 by 2. It becomes 5 by 6 is equals to k by 2 of 180 minus 140, how much? 45. This is consider this as equation number 1. And case 2. Again applying the Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt is equals to d theta by dt is equals to k of theta 2 plus theta 3 minus by 2 minus theta s, theta 2 plus 3 theta 3 by 2 minus theta s. Surrounding temperature, here 90 minus theta 3 by, here they give 15 minutes, that is equals to k of 90 plus theta 3 by 2, temperature of surroundings they given 70. Next 90 minus theta 3 by 15 is equals to k of, taking LCM, 90 plus theta 3 minus 140 by 2. So this as 90 minus theta 3 by 15 is equals to k by 2 of minus 50 plus theta 3. Consider this as equation number 2. Equation 1 by equation 2. We get equation 1 by equation 2, 5 by 6 by 90 minus theta 3 by 15 is equals to k by 2 of 45 divided by k by 2 of minus 50 plus theta 3. K by 2 gets cancels, and 5 by 6 by 90 minus theta 3. 5 by 6 into this one can be written as 15 by 90 minus theta 3, that is equals to 45 by minus 50 plus theta 3. Next we are writing 5 by 6 into 15 by 90 minus theta 3 is equals to 45 by minus 50 plus theta 3. See here 5 ones, 5 nines are, and 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. So we are getting 5 by 6 into 90 minus theta 3 is equals to 3 by minus 50 plus theta 3. Now taking cross multiplication, we get 3 6 are 18 of 90 minus theta 3 is equals to 5 into minus 50 plus theta 3. 18 nines are 162. 0 minus theta 3 is equals to minus 250 plus 5 theta 3. Here 89 is 18, here 18 theta 3. So 18 theta 3, 16 20 plus 250 is equals to minus will become plus 18 theta 3 plus 5 theta 3. This complete total 1870 is equals to 23 theta 3. 23 theta 3 is equals to 1870, or we can write it as theta 3 is equals to 1870 by 23. Here after division we are getting 81.3 degree centigrade. Therefore the final answer is theta 3 is equals to 81.3 degree centigrade. This is the final next we will go to the next question. A body cools in 7 minutes from 60 degree centigrade to 40 degree centigrade. Its temperature after the next 7 minutes is temperature of the surroundings, they given 10 degree centigrade. A body cools in 7 minutes from 60 to 40. Its temperature after next 7 minutes you have to calculate. In this question, now let us go to the solution. So here theta 1 is equals to 60 degree centigrade, theta 2 is equals to 40 degree centigrade, and dt they given 7 minutes, and temperature of surroundings theta s is equals to 10 degree centigrade. From Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt is equals to k of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 minus theta s. Substituting values 60 minus 40 by 7 minutes is equals to k of 60 plus 40 by 2 minus 10. 60 minus 40, 20 by 7 is equals to k of 100 by 2 minus 10. Next 20/7 is equals to K of taking LCM 100 minus 20/2. So that is equals to 20/7 is equals to K by 2 of 100 minus 20, 80. This is the equation number 1. Next, we'll go for second one, second case. According to Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt is equals to K of theta 2 plus theta 3 by 2 minus theta s. 40 minus theta 3 by 7 is equals to K of 40 plus theta 3 by 2 minus theta s they given 10. So 40 minus theta 3 by 7 is equals to K of 40 plus theta 3 minus 20 taking LCM by 2. Next, 40 minus theta 3 by 7 is equals to K by 2 of 20 plus theta 3. This is equation number 2. Equation 1 by equation 2, that is equals to 20/7 by 40 minus theta 3 by 7 is equals to K by 2 of 80 by K by 2 of 20 plus theta 3. K by 2 gets cancelled, 7 gets cancelled, 21s 24s. So 1 by 40 minus theta 3 is equals to 4 by 20 plus theta 3. Taking cross multiplication, 4 into 40 minus theta 3 is equals to 20 plus theta 3. 4 4s are 16. So 40 into 4, 160 minus 4 theta 3 is equals to 20 plus theta 3. 160 coming this side, 160 minus 20, that is equal to 4 theta going that side plus 4 theta. So 4 theta plus theta 3. And then last step here we are writing 160 minus 20, 140 is equals to 5 theta 3. So theta 5 theta 3 is equals to 140, or theta 3 is equals to 140 by 5. That is equals to theta 3 is equals to 140 by 5, it becomes 5 2s are 10 and 5 8s are 20. So 28 degrees centigrade. At last we are writing theta 3 is equals to 28 degree centigrade. Okay, going to the next. A body initially at 80 degree centigrade cools to 64 degree centigrade in 5 minutes and to 52 degrees in 10 minutes. Then temperature of the surroundings is. So in this question they given a body initially 80 degree centigrade cools to 64 degree centigrade in 5 minutes and 52 degree centigrade in 10 minutes. You have to find out the temperature of the surroundings. Now let us come to the solution. In this question they given theta 1 is equals to 80 degree centigrade and theta 2 is equals to 64 degree centigrade and theta 3 is equals to 52 degree centigrade. And temperature difference here 5 minutes and again also 5 minutes you have to take. Next you have to calculate temperature of the surroundings. T.S. theta s is equals to question mark. From the Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt is equals to, this is a case 1. d theta by dt is equals to k of theta 1 by theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 minus theta s. Substituting 80 minus 64 by 5 is equals to k of 80 plus 64 by 2 minus theta s you have to calculate. Next 80 minus 64 16 by 5 is equals to k of 80 plus 64 144 by 2 minus theta s. Next 16 by 5 is equals to k of 2 ones 2 7 ja 2. So 72 7 ja 14 and 2 2 ja 4. 72 minus theta s. Consider this as equation number 1. And second equation, now we are writing from case 2. Case 2, from Newton's law of motion, d theta by dt is equals to k of theta 2 plus theta 3 by 2 minus theta s surroundings. So here 64 minus 52 by 5 minutes is equals to k of 64 plus 52 by 2 minus theta s. 64 minus 52 becomes 12. 12 by 5 is equals to k of 64 plus 52 116 by 2 minus theta s. Next 12 by 5 is equals to k of 116 by 2 58. 2 5 is 2 8 is 16. So minus theta s. This is equation number 2. From equations 1 and 2, equation 1 by equation 2, that is equals to 16 by 5 by 12 by 5 is equals to k of 72 minus theta s by k of 58 minus theta s. That is equals to, here k gets cancels and 5 gets cancels. 16 by 12 is equals to 72 minus theta s by 58 minus theta s. Here 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12. So 4 by 3 is equals to 72 minus theta s by 58 minus theta s. Taking cross multiplication, we are getting 4 into 58 minus theta s, that is equals to 7 into 3 into 72 minus theta s. Now we will write 3 into 72 minus theta s is equals to 4 into 58 minus theta s. 3 into 72, 216 minus theta s is equals to 58 into 4, 232 minus theta s. Here 3 into theta s minus 3 theta s. So here minus 3 theta s, here also 4 theta s. 232, we'll write again this one. 3 into 72. 3 into 72 how much? 216. 216 minus 3 theta s is equals to 4 into 58, 232 minus 4 theta s. So here minus 3 theta s minus 4 theta becomes plus 4 theta s, that is equals to 232 minus 216. Here theta s is equal to 232 minus 216 how much? 16. So therefore theta s is equals to 16 degrees centigrade. This is the final answer. Temperature of surroundings is equals to 16 degrees. Next go to the next question. A body initially at 80 degrees centigrade cools to 64 degrees centigrade in 5 minutes to 52 degrees centigrade in 10 minutes. Then temperature of the body after 15 minutes. Here in this question they given temperature of the surrounding is equals to 16 degrees centigrade. Initially it is 80 degrees centigrade, cools to 64 degrees centigrade in 5 minutes and 52 degrees centigrade in 10 minutes. Temperature of the body after 15 minutes you have to calculate. They given temperature of surroundings theta s is equals to 16 degree centigrade. Let us come to the solution. In this they given theta 1 is equals to 80 degree centigrade and theta 2 64 degree centigrade. Here first we have to calculate 64 degree centigrade to 52 degree centigrade in 5 minutes. You have to calculate temperature of the body after 15 minutes. Okay, first from Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt is equals to k of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 minus theta s. This is theta s and theta 1 64 and theta 2 52. Substituting 64 minus 52 by 5, that is equals to k of 64 plus 52 by 2 minus theta s they given 16 degrees centigrade. So 64 minus 52 how much? 12. 12 by 5 is equals to k of, here 64 plus 52 116 by 2 minus 16. Next we will write next 12 by 5 is equals to k by 2 of 116, now taking LCM, minus 32. So 12 by 5 is equals to k by 2 of 116 minus 32 how much? 84. This is equation number 1. Now we will write case 2. From Newton's law of cooling, d theta as 52 minus theta 3 by 5 is equals to k of theta 1 theta 2 plus theta 3, 52 plus theta 3 by 2 minus temperature of surrounding they given 16. So 52 minus theta 3 by 5 is equals to k of, taking LCM, 52 plus theta 3 minus 32, 16 to 32 by 2. Next 52 minus theta 3 by 5 is equals to k by 2 of 52 minus 32, 20 plus theta 3. This is equation number 2. Equation 1 by equation 2, that is equals to 12 by 5 by 52 minus theta 3 by 5 is equals to k by 2 of 84 by k by 2 of 20 plus theta 3. K by 2 gets cancels, 5 gets cancels. So next step we are getting 12 by 52 minus theta 3, that is equals to 84 by 20 plus theta 3. Here 12 ones, 12 sevens are. Next we are writing 1 by 52 minus theta 3 is equals to 7 by 20 plus theta 3. Now taking cross multiplication, 7 into 52 minus theta 3 is equals to 20 plus theta 3. 7 into 52, 364 minus 7 theta 3. 7 into theta 3, 7 theta 3, that is equals to 20 plus theta 3. 364, 20 here becomes minus 20. 7 theta 3 plus theta 3, 8 theta 3. So at last 8 theta 3 is equals to 344. That is theta 3 is equals to 344 by 8. That is equals to 8 4s are 32, 8 3s are 24. So finally temperature of after 15 minutes theta 3 is equals to 43 degree centigrade. The final answer here I am writing, therefore theta 3 is equals to 43 degree centigrade. Okay. Next question. A copper ball cools from 62 degrees centigrade to 50 degrees centigrade in 10 minutes and to 42 degrees in next 10 minutes. Then temperature of the surroundings is. So in this question you have to calculate temperature of the surroundings. They given copper ball cools from 62 to 50 in 10 minutes and next 42 degrees in next 10 minutes. So let us come to the solution. Theta 1 is equals to 62 degrees centigrade and theta 2 is equals to 50 degrees centigrade and temperature difference 10 minutes. You have to calculate the temperature of surroundings. Theta S is equal to question mark. From Newton's law of cooling, here we are writing the case 1. D theta by dt is equals to k of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 minus theta s. Substituting the values, 62 minus 50 by 10 is equals to k of 62 plus 50 by 2 minus theta s. Next 62 minus 50 how much? 12. 12 by 10 is equals to k of 62 plus 50 112 by 2 minus theta s. So that is equals to 12 by 10 is equals to k of taking LCM 112 minus 2 theta s by 2. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. So next second case we are writing same Newton's law of cooling. 50 d theta 50 minus 42 by 10 is equals to k of theta 2 plus theta 3. 50 plus 42 by 2 minus theta s. 50 minus 42 8. 8 by 10 is equals to k of 50 plus 42 92. 92 by 2 minus theta s. Next 8 by 10 is equals to k of 92 minus taking LCM 2 theta s by 2. Next we are writing 8 by 10 is equals to 8 by 10 is equals to k by 2 of 92 minus 2 theta s. This is equation number 2. Equation 1 by equation 2, that is equals to 12 by 10 by 8 by 10, that is equals to k by 2 of 112 minus 2 theta s by k by 2 of 92 minus 2 theta s. K by 2 gets cancels, 10 gets cancels, and here we are getting 12 by 8 is equals to 112 minus 2 theta s by 92 minus 2 theta s. Here 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. So 3 by 2 is equals to 112 minus 2 theta s by 92 minus 2 theta s. Now taking cross multiplication, 3 into 92 minus 2 theta s is equals to 2 into 112 minus 2 theta s. So Here 92 into 3, 276 minus 3 to the 6 theta s is equals to 112 into 2, 224 minus 2 to the 4 theta s. 276 minus 224, 52. 52 is equals to 6 theta s minus 4 theta s, 2 theta s. So theta s is equals to 52 by 2. It becomes 2 to the 2 6 the. So 26 degree centigrade. The final answer is temperature of surroundings is theta s is equals to 26 degree centigrade. This is the final. In this question, in a room where the temperature 30 degree centigrade, a body cools from 61 to 59 degree centigrade in 4 minutes. The time in minutes taken by it to cool from 51 to 49 degree centigrade is dash minutes. You have to calculate. Given temperature 30 degree centigrade, a body cools from 61 to 59 in 4 minutes. The time in minutes taken by to cool from 51 to 49 degree centigrade, we have to calculate. Come to the solution. Now we'll write theta 1, theta s the given, that is 30 degree centigrade, surrounding temperature 30 degree centigrade, and theta 1 is equals to 61 degrees centigrade, and theta 2 is equals to 59 degrees centigrade, and temperature time 4 minutes. Next we have to calculate the time in minutes taken by to cool from 51 to 49 degrees centigrade. Now we will write the case 1. From Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt is equals to k of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 minus theta s. Substituting the values, 61 minus 59 by 4 is equals to k of 61 plus 59 by 2 minus temperature of surroundings they given 30 degree centigrade. So that is equals to 61 minus 59 2. 2 by 4 is equals to k of 61 plus 59 120 by 2 minus 30. Next here we are cancelling 2 ones, 2 2s. So 1 by 2 is equals to k of, taking LCM, 120 minus 60 by 2. So 2 gets cancels. K of 120 minus 60 is equals to 1. 120 minus 60 how much? 60. So 60 k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1 by 60. This is considered as equation number 1. Second case, same from the Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt, that is 51 minus 49 by dt. dt is equals to, you have to calculate k of 51 plus 49 by 2, theta 2 plus theta 3 by 2 minus temperature of surroundings 30. So that is equals to 51 minus 49, 51 minus 49 by dt is equals to 1 k, nothing but 1 by 60 of 51 plus 49, 100 by 2. Sorry, this is 51 plus 49, 100 by 2 minus 30. 100 by 2 becomes 5 ones, 5 50s. So 51 minus 49, 2. 2 by dt is equals to 1 by 60. Here 50 minus 30. It becomes 2 by dt is equals to 50 minus 30, 20. 20 by 60. 21s, 23s. So dt is equals to, taking cross multiplication, 2 into 3, 6. So temperature, the time in minutes taken by it to cool from 51 to 49 degree centigrade is 6 minutes. So dt is equals to 6 minutes. This is a final answer. The next question. Next. A body initially at 60 degree centigrade cools to 50 degree centigrade in 10 minutes. What will be the temperature at the end of next 10 minutes if the room temperature is 25 degree centigrade? Assumes Newton's law of cooling. So in this question they given initially a body initially at 60 degree centigrade cools to 50 degree centigrade in 10 minutes. What will be the temperature at the end of next 10 minutes? You have to calculate. The given room temperature is 25 degree centigrade. Now let us come to the solution. We will write theta 1 is equals to 60 degree centigrade and theta 2 is equals to 50 degree centigrade and temperature 60 to cools to 50 degree centigrade and time 10 minutes. So theta s is equals to 25 degree centigrade. From the Newton's law of cooling, case 1, d theta by dt is equals to k of d theta by dt is equals to k of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 minus theta s. Substituting the values 60 minus 50 by dt nothing but here 10 minutes, that is equals to k of 60 plus 50 by 2 minus temperature of surroundings they given 25. 60 minus 50. Next we will write 10 by 10 is equals to k of 60 plus 50 110 by 2 minus 25. 10 by 10 10 cancel, 1 is equals to k of 110 minus 50 taking LCM by 2. So taking cross multiplication, now we are writing first 1 is equals to k of 110 minus 50. 110 minus 50 how much? 60. 60 by 2. Now 2 ones 2 threes. So now we are writing this as 1 is equals to or 30 k is equals to 1. K is equals to 1 by 3. Next case 2. In case 2, again we are applying the Newton's law of cooling. D theta by dt as 50 minus theta 3 by 10 minutes is equals to k of 50 plus theta 3 by 2 minus 25 surrounding temperature. 50 minus theta 3 by 10. Here substituting the value of k in this equation, we get, here we are writing the, now substituting value of k from equation 1 in equation 2. In equation 2 we get 50 minus theta 3 by 10 is equals to k 1 by 30 of 50 plus theta 3 by 2 minus 25. Next one, 50 minus theta 3 by 10, this is theta 3, that is equals to 1 by 30 of taking LCM 50 plus theta 3 minus, here 25 to the 50 by 2. Here 50 cancel, here 10 ones 10 threes. So 50 minus theta 3 by 1 is equals to, here theta 3 by 3 to the 6. Now taking cross multiplication, 60 into 50 minus theta 3 is equals to 1 into theta 3. 650 is a 300 minus 6 theta 3 is equals to theta 3. So 300 is equals to 6 minus 6 theta 3 will become plus 6 theta 3, that is 7 theta 3. 6 theta 3 plus theta 3, 7 theta 3. So 7 theta 3 is equals to 300. Theta 3 is equals to 300 by 7. Now we are cancelling 7 ones. 7 fours are 28 and again 7 twos are 14. 7 8 ja 56 and 7 5 ja last. That approximately we are writing theta 3 is equals to 42.85. So therefore theta 3 is equals to 42.85. Thanks for watching this video.